Stovetop ice cream custard is the cooked egg yolk and dairy base used to make classic French-style ice cream. Cooking the mixture on the stove gently thickens the proteins in the egg yolks, creating a smooth, stable ice cream base. This recipe makes 600 milliliters of mint white chocolate ice cream, an excellent alternative to the classic Grasshopper cocktail. In a heavy bottom sauce pot, combine 200 grams high-fat cream, 200 grams milk, and a handful of fresh mint cut chiffonade or finely sliced. Bring to a quick scalding 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the heat and for the best flavor, allow it to steep for at least an hour. In a separate bowl, mix 4 egg yolks with 60 grams sugar. Reheat the cream mixture to scalding and slowly pour the mixture through a sieve. A little at first, whisking constantly to temper the eggs, then the remaining. This prevents the hot milk cream mixture from scrambling the eggs. Then pour the tempered egg and dairy mixture back into the heavy bottom sauce pot and cook until the custard thickens. Stirring constantly with a rubber spatula, making sure to scrape the very bottom and corners of the pan, which only takes a few minutes. The custard is done when it coats the back of a spoon. Careful not to heat the mixture above 185 degrees Fahrenheit. White chocolate burns easily, so add 30 grams of white chocolate to a bowl over an ice bath and immediately strain the custard, stirring constantly to melt and mix in the chocolate as the custard cools. Mix in 30 grams of creme de menthe, and for the best flavor and texture, mature the custard in the refrigerator overnight. Then freeze in a gelato machine until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Serve directly from the machine or transfer to an airtight container to freeze to your favorite scoopable consistency.